Hello guys, my name is Jynell Trail. So in today's video, I decided to try this brush on gel nail kit that I got from Walmart. It's now a trending thing, so I decided why not give it a try. So in this kit, you got the gel, which is known as the glue, the activator, and brush cleaner. This kit came with 48 short tips, came with a buffer and instructions. It also came with this little cuticle cleaner, but I decided to get my own. So I got a buffer and a Revlon cuticle cleaner. The instructions clearly say that you're supposed to gently file your fingernails, wipe any excess oil and dust off the nail, then apply the tips. So now I'm just gently pushing back my cuticle. I know it looks fast, but I'm being very gentle. So now I'm using the rough side of the buffer to gently file my nails. So now I'm going in with this with the alcohol. You can use acetone or nail polish remover. In the nails, you got the natural color and the white tip, so I decided to use the natural color. Now you're gonna measure the nails to your nail, then you're gonna add the gel or the glue, and then you're gonna do that for all 10 fingers. Now you should have something looking like this. When taking off these little tips off the nails, you want to make sure that you're not tugging it. You want to just gently push it back and forth until it comes off. So in the instructions, it states that you're supposed to add a little bit of the activator to the mark where your nails and the tip meets. So you're gonna add a little bit to that just to let the nail melt to your nails. if you're watching and you haven't yet subscribed, don't forget to subscribe. Turn your post notification bell on so you'll be notified whenever I post a video. So now that you are finished with applying the activator on the nail, once it's dried, you're gonna shape them how you like them. So now I'm gonna shape them how I like them, or how I want them. So remember that you're doing this by yourself, so things will happen. So this is why you want to make sure that you're applying a good amount of glue when you're applying the tips onto your nail. So now on to the fun part. So now you're gonna be applying the gel and then the activator. You want to apply the activator while the gel is still wet. So you're gonna apply the gel, then activator, then you're gonna put the brush that you took from the activator into the brush cleaner. You want to make sure that the brush is clean, because if it's not clean, it will get hard and then it's gonna be difficult to use. So you want to make sure that you're continuously putting the brush back into the brush cleaner. So I did 3 layers of the brush on gel and the activator, and this is what it looks like. It was so hard, it felt like acrylic, and it turned out good. I'm not gonna lie, it was better than I expected it. Yeah, so this is what it looks like. So now you're gonna file the nails, or you're gonna get rid of the bumps and curves to give it a more natural look. So this is what it looks like after I've done that. So now I'm going in with the soft side of the buffer just to give it that smooth finish. So now I'm going in with this Extreme Wear Confetti Craze by Sally Hansen. This Berry Smooth Color Therapy, also by Sally Hansen. As you're applying the polish, you want to make sure that you're cleaning as you go. That's how we're gonna get the professional look that we're going for. So now I'm doing the second layer or the second coat. So now I'm going in with this Pink Armor nail gel. I forgot who this was by, but yeah, you want to make sure that the nails are dried before putting on the top coat. So this is a top coat, but it's a gel polish. And this is the finished look, you guys. I love it. It is super cute and I can't believe I did this all by myself. So yeah, don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment down below what you thought about this video, and I'll catch you in my next video. Bye.